Could the principles behind manufacturing cars transform education? Surprisingly, yes. Lean methodology has its roots in the Toyota production system, developed in post-World War II Japan. Faced with the resource constraints and the need to rapidly rebuild its economy, Toyota initiated a revolutionary approach to manufacturing. Toyota's method prioritized flexibility, quality, and the elimination of all forms of waste, whether it be in time, materials, or effort. This approach not only led to Toyota's meteoric rise in the automotive industry, but also laid the groundwork for what would later be known globally as lean methodology. But what does this concept look like in the field of education? Let's cover its 5 core principles. First, we have value identification. It's about understanding the real needs and wants of students in a course. Next, value stream mapping. This step involves examining the entire course and removing parts that don't help learning. Then, efficient workflow. This is about organizing the course to ensure a smooth and easy learning process. Fourth is establish a pull system. This principle is about giving students the freedom to select what they learn based on their interests. And lastly, pursue perfection. This means constantly improving the course based on feedback. Let's take a closer look at these principles in a real-life example. Imagine an online photography course that was restructured according to the 5 lean methodology principles. This is how it would look like. First is finding out what students really want. The teachers running the course ask students what they liked. Turns out they preferred doing actual photography rather than just hearing about it. So the course was changed to have more hands-on camera work and real-world examples. Second is planning the course like a road trip. At first, the course had a lot of long, boring lessons. These got swapped out for short, fun videos and engaging photo challenges. Now, students get to actually practice taking photos. Third is keeping the learning smooth and easy. The course was mixed up a bit, so it starts with the easy stuff and then moves on to the harder tricks. This way, students don't get lost or feel like it's too much for them. Fourth is giving students choices to focus on. Students now can pick what type of photography they want to dive into, like taking pictures of people, landscapes, or animals. This means they can learn more about what they're really into. And lastly, always making the course better. The organizers keep adding new stuff, like the latest photo techniques. They also listen to what students say and make changes, like bringing in pro photographers for live chats to make sure the course stays updated. As you see, lean methodology isn't just a set of principles locked into the world of manufacturing or business. Its application in education, especially in the online space, is a game changer. By focusing on what students truly value, streamlining the learning process, and constantly adapting to feedback, educators can create a more engaging, efficient, and effective educational experience. If you want to learn how to apply the lean methodology to your learning program, we recommend you to check our in-depth article at smowltech.net. We'll provide a link to it in the description. At Smowltech, we develop a proctoring solution, Smwl, that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to help businesses and educational institutions guarantee integrity on their digital and online assessments. We hope this video helped you gain insight into the lean methodology. If you liked it, please give us a like and share the video. See you in the next one.